Well, a local insurance company is bracing for an increase in claims after heavy rainfall from the recent tropical storm flooded homes and cars here in the capital. Fern Carey has the story.
J.S. Johnson insurance agents and brokers expecting to be inundated with residents coming into their offices with motor claims this week following significant flooding here in the capital due to Tropical Storm Imelda. Vice President of Claims Edward Albury says a rush of claimants is usually expected in the aftermath of a storm, but a plan is in place to process those claims in a timely manner.
If people have motor vehicle damages, then they likely probably have a difficulty getting around right now. So I don't expect they'll be in between 9 and 10 o'clock, but more like 11 and 12 and later on during the course of the day and probably during the course of the week. If you do have the cover, you're not sure what the cost of those damages are, or you're not sure if it's covered or whatever, come in and let us advise you on what is covered, what is not covered, or what measures to take. But the first thing is we can't help you until you actually come in and tell us what your problem is. And we'll be very happy and welcoming to tell you, where you go from here.
With 2 months still left in the Atlantic hurricane season, the senior executive stressed the importance of having insurance to provide financial protection against the damage caused by a storm or a disaster.
Unlike policies in the United States and other places, in those places you have to get flood damage separate and apart from your catastrophe cover. Fortunately, here in the Bahamas, as a part of our package, our hurricane package, wind damage, flood damage, as long as it flows from the hurricane, they're all covered within that hurricane package.
The insurance company provides a checklist for specific types of policies for persons who want to ensure that they have the proper insurance coverage for their possessions.
It's good to know what you have. It's good to know what the values are that may be affected, right? And that's why at J.S. Johnson we have a checklist that we give people that they can fill out. And what they could do is determine what the values of their contents are, what the value of their home is, what is your bill of sale or your purchase document from your dealership or whatever. These things do come in later on to be very important and helping insurers to determine the value of your vehicle.
While some people consider insurance to be a necessary evil, Mr. Albury believes it is a small amount of money to pay for what J.S. Johnson calls peace of mind. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Fern Carey.